In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to pass from an image to a video of a person talking with realism. So to do that, first we need to go to NovoAds AI. The link of this site is going to be in the comment section and in my profile. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here, we need to go to Talking Actors. And now we have to click in Add Actors. Now we have to click here where it says My Actors. And in Create Actors. Now we have to click here. And here, if you want an horizontal video, you have to click here. But I want a vertical video. So now we have to click here to upload an image. In this case is this one of myself. This could be an AI image if you want, but in this case I decide to use an image of myself. So now let's click here. Now click in select, well, we can adjust a little bit this, and now click in select actor. Now here we have to select the voice of the actor. So here we have to click, so here we need to add some filters to choose the best voice possible. So let's click in male. In age, I'm a young person. Language, this is an English tutorial, so let's click in English. And in accent, let's put Spanish because I'm speaking in English, but my original language is Spanish. So now I'm going to search for a voice that I like.
Leak. Hi, I'm Elio, a warm, hopeful voice with a soft Spanish accent. Perfect.
Just because you loved someone doesn't...
Movies grow our imagination.
We should all be thankful for those people who rekindle the inner spirit.
The best and most beautiful things in the
science fiction.
Just because you loved someone doesn't mean they loved you back anymore.
Hi, I'm Elio, a warm, hopeful
Well, I
voice.
liked this one, so I'm going to pick this voice. Now we have to click here where it says Create Actor. And now, well, I have many of actors of myself for other tutorials, but this is the one of this video. So let's click in Save Changes. And now let's listen the voice.
Hi, I'm Elio, a warm...
Yes, it's the one I created. So now we have to click here. And in similarity, I like to increase this a little bit. And now in stability, I also like to increase this number. Now here where it says write what the actor will say, we have to paste a dialogue. And now here we can generate a preview. Now we have to wait like 10 to 20 seconds for the preview. And here we have it. So let's click here.
Hello, welcome to NovoAds. You're using the best platform for creating AI videos. If you want to create...
Well, I think that the speed is like really fast. So I'm going to decrease a little bit the speed. And now we can regenerate the audio. This is totally free. I recommend you to do it until you like the audio, because this is the audio that the video will use. So now let's click here in regenerate. And actually I'm going to increase a little bit the stability and now click here.
Hello, welcome to
Sorry, here. And as you can see, there is regenerating the audio. Perfect. Now we can click here.
Hello, welcome to NovoAds. You're using the best platform for creating AI videos. If you want to create a realistic video of a person using...
Well, I like it. So now we can generate the video and now click in generate. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 2 to 3 minutes because the dialogue was very short. But if you write here a text very long, the video could have to process a lot and you could have to wait like, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
Hello, welcome to NovoAds. You're using the best platform for creating AI videos. If you want to create a realistic video of a person using an image, you're in the right place.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot. The audio, the expressions, I really like it, the video. So if you want to do a video like this one, you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. Then, if you like it, with that, you can create a video like this one. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.